Hello Orthodox Techie YouTube channel. Today we are going to look into how we made the channel's intro using Blender. So first let me play an actual intro. So this is the intro for Orthodox Techie channel. So this is the camera's point of view. Let's see from outside what's happening. So this is the camera we have here. Let me play the same animation again from the outside's point of view. So this is how I have set the camera view. So this is how I set the camera view, and finally it's come to show the whole title. So how we did, let me show you in a new screen. Let me delete everything. So what we have did here is add a simple circle here. Now go to edit mode and just extrude this and click S to scale and S to scale again, and extrude it, S to scale again, extrude, S to scale, extrude and S to scale, and finally the last one. So we have created a symbol for O, and finally I am extruding again to add depth to this O. And now let me select with the face select and select everything. Now I am giving colors to it. Add new color, new, set it to white, and again new, red, new, green, new, yellow, and finally new, blue. So I'm selecting the respective colors for everything. So first one is red, and the second one, before that I need to add emission to this. Emission, red, emission, green, emission, yellow, and finally emission, blue. So I have created all the colors. Now let me assign everything. So firstly I am selecting the first circle and assign this to white color, and second I am giving yellow and assign. Third I am giving green, assign, and four I am giving blue and assign, and finally I am giving red and assign. So this is how the colors. What we need to do is we should add bloom to this so that it can give something like a bloom. So here it gives light like bloom here. So yeah, here we are. So we have created an O, and finally what we need to add is Shift A. Oh, sorry. Now we are going to object mode, from edit mode to object mode, and give Shift A, text. Now here we are adding a text, and we are editing it like Orthodox now Techie. Techie. So here we have that, and giving the respective emission color to this. Just scale it a little bit. So here we have the title, and now we are adding for font. Let's add some offset so that it can be somewhat like bold, and give a character spacing here 1.4. okay, this will be fine. And what I did in my actual intro is I have created a depth to the fonts too. So let me add some depth here to our fonts. So we have just added some depth to the fonts, and finally what we need to do is go to edit mode, select this whole the circle we have created, a donut like circle, and go to mark freestyle edge, yeah, and go to freestyle, and yeah, so we have completed our intro. So now add a camera here, camera, and click 0 to get a complete camera view. Now if I click render image, so here we have our rendered image. So this is how we have created our intro for our Orthodox Techie channel. So that's it. Let us see some interesting things in the next episode of our animation tutorial. So until then, this is Orthodox Techie signing off.